7,019 times 5 using the area model. So we have a 4-digit number, so we need 4 boxes for each place value. We need to put our 5 on the side, and then we're going to write our number in expanded form. 7,000 plus 0 plus 10 plus 9. Then we're going to take our numbers down and over. And then we know that we are going to multiply. So 7 times 5 is 35 plus your 3 zeros. 0 times 5 is 0 because anything times 0 will be 0. 5 times 10 is 50 and 9 times 5 is 45. Then we're going to take these numbers and we're going to add them up on the side, which will give us an answer of 35,095.